Hello and welcome to my channel with a new experience which is called goal setting. Are you ready to set your goals? What are goals? How do we set goals? How do we achieve them? What do we do about them? So I started off with my goals. Of course, a teacher can also have goals, right? Everybody can have goals. It can be your mom, dad, neighbors, friends, relatives. Anybody can have goals. So, same way, I also decided two goals that I want to achieve. Let's find out what are my goals. So, my two goals are that I want to plant a plant every week, at least one plant in a week. And the another goal was that I want to learn a new language. But then I was thinking, is it possible for me to achieve both the goals at the same time? Then I started thinking, I can actually, because I'll just have to plant a tree once a week. And learning a new language, I can take few days in a week, let's say 2 or 3 days, and slowly in few months I'll be able to achieve these two goals, and then I'm going to make new goals for myself. The same thing I told to my children in the classroom, and immediately ideas started popping up. And everybody said, Miss, I want to share my goal. Miss, I want to share my goal. So, do you want to hear out their goals? Let's find out. So, there was Ishika who said that, Miss, I want to read one book every week with my mama. That can be my new goal. I said, Of course, that can be a new goal. Then there was another girl, Ira. She said, Miss, I want to learn soccer. Can that be my new goal? I said, Absolutely. Why not? That can be your goal. Everybody started thinking, wearing their thinking hats. There was one boy named Riyansh. He said, Miss, I am so confused. And I said, I wonder why are you confused, Riyansh? Rian said, Because there are too many goals that I want to achieve. I said, All right, let's find out what are those. Then Rian shared that he wants to learn swimming, he wants to learn skating, he wants to read a book as well, a storybook. And then he said, I also want to do writing. I want to practice writing. My letters are not sitting on the line. All right. Then I asked Riyansh, why don't you shortlist any one or two? He said, Oh, is it? Can I do two? I said, Why not? If you can manage two of your goals together. Then he shortlisted and he said, Maybe, Miss, I will choose swimming and reading a book. Then I said, All right, tell me, how are you going to manage achieve these? He mentioned, I'm going to read the book thrice a week and I'm going to go to swimming classes twice a week. And that way, I think I'll be able to manage. And once I achieve these two goals, then I'll move on to my next two goals, which is skating and writing. I said, Absolutely, it's your decision. So you have to work really hard on it. So everybody was busy deciding, oh, my goal is going to be this, my goal is going to be that. But then I asked the whole class that how do they want to take it further. I said, kids, you all have three choices. You all can choose any one. Either you can draw your goals, or you can write about your goals, or you can do both. You can draw and write about your goals. So then the choice was theirs. Some of them decided to just write down their goals and put it on the board, and whenever they come to school every day, that goal reminded them that they have to achieve it. Some of them decided to just draw their goals, some of them decided to draw and write about their goals. Would you like to see their work? How beautifully they all noted down their goals, illustrated their goals. Now let's see. All right, so let me take you through the goals decided by my class kids. Here you see, Arav has mentioned that his goal is that he wants to help Mama in his household chores. How beautiful is that goal? Moving on, Nisha said, I will clean up without anybody's help after I am done playing. That's another lovely goal as well. Moving on to Parth. Parth decided, I will be kind to my friends and make new friends as well. Interesting. Moving on, Dhwani. What did Dhwani decide? Dhwani is focusing on my goal is to try new food. Sounds interesting. She's going to try new and different types of food. That's going to make her stronger, I guess. Then Ishika decided my goal is to watch screen just twice a week and that too for only half an hour. Moving on. Ira decided my goal is to make sure all my letters are sitting on the line and are readable. Amazing. Ira has to try and work really hard on that, and I appreciate her efforts. Well done, Ira. Jay mentioned my goal is to learn swimming and teach my little brother also. Amazing. How cute is that? He wants to learn swimming to teach his younger brother. Moving on, next is Riansh. Riansh decided my goal is to look for new words from the dictionary and make a list of it. Oh, lovely new vocabulary words. I'm sure we're going to share it in the class as well. And even Miss is going to learn from Rian some new words. Latika decided my goal is to wear my clothes without mama's help. Amazing. That looks like Latika wants to become independent. Well done. I'm so proud of all my kids who've decided that these are the goals they're going to achieve in next few months and we are going to revisit our goals. And I have one more idea for you all watching out there. Why don't you all also do your goal setting? I mean to say, you all can do family goal setting. Let's say, look at this family picture. So, mama's goal is to go to gym, yoga, work out, and become stronger. Papa's goal is to eat healthy food. Amazing. And look at the little girl. She says her goal is to ride a bicycle and learn. So, same way, why not you all also please go ahead and make your goals, set the goals and revisit them. So, tell me, what is your goal? Let's do some goal setting. Get a paper and pencil, draw, write, color it beautifully, decorate it, and put it out there in your house. It'll keep reminding you if you've achieved, you're going to make your new goals just below the same paper so that you can see your goal achievement throughout your life. Till then, if you loved it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you later.